Smart Caller by Flumatex. It's a pager up to 8. Comes in a number of colors and models. What we're going to do is open up the package and show you what to range over 600 feet. It doesn't need any subscriptions. You get everything that you need. Charging hardware like screws and anchors, more than one. Packaged nicely over a wrist strap is the SOS pager, a lanyard strap with the cord and an SOS button. The control center, up to 8 pagers with audible sound and which pager that goes off. Please peel the stickers off. Hang it on the wall with the bracket. Buttons, charging area. Different types of SOSs with cables to wear around the neck. 2 AAA batteries, self-adhesive stickers, pads, and the instruction guide to go over. We have 2 AAA batteries that do not get installed in the main controller, as it already has a lithium rechargeable battery built in. You have the bracket that simply pushes down and releases off. Hang it on the wall with 3 eye holes, hardware, or self-adhesives, getting the correct one and placing on. This is an SOS. Button can be pushed or the string can be pulled to hang up on the wall by simply turning around and removing the back bracket, which is important to place in the AAA batteries hidden behind the door. Put in the AAA batteries, close up, and lock back the door and hang on the wall. To test the unit is simply pulling on the cord with an LED and audible sound. One of the stickers we place on, and we're able to test the unit by pulling the string or hitting the button. With the SOS pendant, it's already hooked up with the battery. With the slotted area, you're able to remove and change out the 2025 battery built in. Located here is the slot to remove and can be stuck in an area if applicable. This is the SOS wearable wristband. The same thing. It can be removed for a 2025 battery located over here. Spanner tool and snap off to remove the battery. And then replace the door as it is water sealed. These products are waterproof to a certain extent, IP rated, when the doors are properly closed. Peel, place, and hang. We have an on and off switch we turn on. All the lights light up and going through the test sequence. We have a negative and a positive to raise and lower the volume. We have a set button, a forward and a back, and a charging area. We stick on our wall. When somebody needs to call, we can hit the button, and number 2 is set up. We need to call with the pendant. Number 1 and 2 are set up. If we need to call with the square one, we pull. Number 3 is set up. If we need to reset and clear, we hit the clear button. And when number 3 is pressed, you can hear the siren as we lower. Placements in the bathroom, near the toilet, by the shower, or by the light switch. Our demonstrations will be over here for easy reach. The member has a choice of wearing a pendant or a watch. Around the house, either one is acceptable. Wearing the watch is simply placing on or wearing around the neck the pendant. The wrist strap goes around into one of the holes, it snaps on, and slide the strap inside. As we increase the volume, and as a member is panicking, they hit one of the buttons on the neck or the wrist. Number 2, the caregiver comes running and we are here with assistance. If somebody fell, we have the string to pull with electronic beep and a siren for help. These are just some examples of what the unit from Smart Caller can do. You have 3 units that can be hung up on the wall and pressed. If you want to reset it immediately, you have the reset to silence and shut down. It's not just for wearing around the neck or on the wrist strap or hanging by a wall. They could be put up anywhere imaginable. The wristband is number 2. This is number 1. And that is number 3. Quiet it down is simply hit, and then to reset is simply pressing on the button once again. Siren of an alert system. Enjoy your product if this is right for you by Smart Caller, one of the names of the product.